Did you know that your liver processes over 500 vital functions in your body every single day? That's right. This powerhouse organ is working tirelessly to keep you healthy. But what if I told you there's a way to supercharge your liver's performance using natural supplements backed by science? Stick around, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal the top 7 liver health supplements that could transform your well-being. Now, before we dive in, let me drop a bombshell. Liver disease is the 12th leading cause of death in the United States. Shocking, right? But here's the good news. With the right supplements, you can potentially reverse liver damage and boost your liver's function. Are you ready to discover nature's secret weapons for liver health? First up, we have the heavyweight champion of liver supplements, Milk Thistle. This isn't just some old wives' tale. It's a scientifically proven powerhouse. Milk Thistle contains silymarin, a group of compounds that act like a shield for your liver cells. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your liver, fighting off toxins and reducing inflammation. Studies have shown that milk thistle can improve liver function tests and even help with conditions like alcoholic liver disease and hepatitis. But here's the kicker. While it's incredibly promising, researchers are still trying to nail down the perfect dose. So, always consult with your doctor before starting any new supplement regimen. Now let's talk about the unsung hero of liver health, N-Acetyl Cysteine, or NAC for short. This supplement is so powerful that hospitals use it to treat acetaminophen overdose. That's right, it's a literal lifesaver. NAC works by boosting your body's production of glutathione, the mother of all antioxidants. It's like giving your liver a supercharged detox system. But NAC isn't just for emergencies. It's also shown promise in improving liver function for those with chronic liver diseases. If you're looking for a supplement with solid scientific backing, NAC is your go-to. But wait, there's more. Have you heard of S-Adenosyl Methionine, or SAMe? It might sound like a mouthful, but this supplement is a true game-changer for liver health. SAMe is involved in a process called methylation, which is crucial for countless bodily functions. When it comes to your liver, SAMe helps produce and recycle glutathione, that superstar antioxidant we mentioned earlier. Clinical trials have shown that SAMe can improve liver function and reduce symptoms in patients with liver diseases like cirrhosis. It's like hitting the reset button on your liver's health. Now let's switch gears and talk about something you might already have in your medicine cabinet: zinc. This humble mineral is a secret weapon for liver health. Zinc supports your immune system and helps fight off oxidative stress, which is a major player in liver damage. Studies have shown that zinc supplementation can improve liver function in patients with chronic liver diseases, including hepatitis C. It's like giving your liver a boost of armor against the daily onslaught of toxins it faces. Here's a supplement you might not have heard of: betaine. This compound, found naturally in foods like beets and spinach, is a rising star in liver health. Betaine helps your body metabolize homocysteine, an amino acid that can be harmful in high levels. But here's where it gets really interesting. Studies have shown that betaine can actually reduce liver fat and improve liver function in patients with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. If you're dealing with excess liver fat, betaine could be your new best friend. Now let's talk about a supplement with a long history in traditional medicine: Glycyrrhizin, or Licorice Root Extract. Before you run out and buy a bag of licorice candy, let me clarify. We're talking about a specific compound found in licorice root. Glycyrrhizin has powerful anti-inflammatory properties and has been used to treat chronic hepatitis. It's like a natural firefighter, dousing the flames of liver inflammation. But here's a word of caution. High doses can have side effects, so it's crucial to use this supplement under medical supervision. Last, but certainly not least, we have the golden spice of liver health: turmeric. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. It's like a 1-2 punch for liver health, protecting against damage and reducing inflammation. Some studies have even shown improvements in liver function tests for patients with liver diseases. But here's the plot twist. While turmeric is generally safe, high doses can actually cause liver toxicity. It's a perfect example of why it's crucial to stick to recommended doses and consult with a healthcare professional. So there you have it, the magnificent 7 of liver health supplements. From the well-known Milk Thistle to the rising star Betaine, these natural powerhouses have the potential to revolutionize your liver health. But remember, supplements are just one piece of the puzzle. A healthy diet, regular exercise, and avoiding excessive alcohol are all crucial for maintaining a happy, healthy liver. Now, I have a question for you. Which of these supplements surprised you the most? Are you ready to give your liver the support it deserves? Remember, your liver is working hard for you every single day. Isn't it time you returned the favor?